Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be cooking some delicious turkey legs, stuffed turkey legs. So I've got my smoked turkey legs right here. I'm going to put them in my steamer right here. And I'm going to steam them until they're like almost falling off the bone. And then I'm gonna add a shrimp, seafood type of topping to one of them, do fettuccine to another one, seafood fettuccine, and I don't know what the third one I'm gonna do, but we'll figure it out as we go along. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I put my turkey legs in the steamer. That's two in that on that bottom shelf. I'm gonna put this third one on top of this shelf. So that one's there. And I'm gonna put the top on it, like so. So now you can see that I have two turkey legs, well actually 3 turkey legs in the steamer. I have the timer set for 30 minutes. No, I have the timer set for an hour. So we're just gonna let them steam for about an hour till they're almost falling off the bone. And we'll come back when they're ready. Okay, our turkey legs are ready. See, they're coming off the bone. So we're gonna get them over here and get them plated up, and we're gonna show you what we're making. These are our toppings right over here. We have this topping right here, which is something I made yesterday. It's got mini shrimp in it, and you can look for the recipe that I made yesterday for this. And then this is the shrimp Alfredo ziti topping that we're going to use on one of the turkey legs. And this is the eggplant that I cooked yesterday. It's on my website, Ella Dishes It Out, on my YouTube channel. So these are going to be the 3 plates we're going to use and the toppings we're going to use. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start out with this one. We're just going to put our no topping over it, like so. And I'm going to save some of this for the other turkey leg. Doesn't that look delicious? Stuffed turkey leg. It's going to be my lunch. All right, then the next one we're going to do is with the shrimp Alfredo. Wow, that looks delicious. Delicious. Some more Alfredo on top of that. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Mmm, yummy. Okay guys, I also sell these, so feel free to look me up. If you live in the Houston area, I sell these plates. And I will put a link to my deal in a minute. I have a website called Ella Cooks Catering, and so I do cater. If you ever feel a need to have private catering, I do that. Okay, so we're going to pour some of this sauce that I had cooked yesterday with the eggplant over this. That looks so good. Looks so good. A little bit more over here. And there you go. 3 different variations of my food. Doesn't it look delicious? Can't wait to dig in. Okay, in fact, I'm gonna try some right now. I think I'm gonna do this right here. It tastes so good. So good. The balloons, guys, in the background was my granddaughter's birthday party. So she had a TikTok party, and that's the balloons left over from her party this past weekend. Alrighty, I hope you guys like my video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Ella Dishes It Out on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Bye.